Okay, my name is Ray Horn and I do Python. So this channel is going to be all about Python. So let's get started by trying to figure out if I've got Python installed on this machine. Don't believe I do, but let's just take a look-see. So if we take a look at my drive C, which is where Python's going to go, I don't see anything here related to Python, and I normally put it in the root directory. So now we're going to go looking for Python to install, and the best place is Google. And we're going to type in download Python. Yeah, well, that's a lot of links. How about download active state? Because it's an easier Python to install, and it's more complete, and it's more up to date. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, now we're at Active Python 3, Community Edition. And we're going to install 2.7.10.12 as an MSI installer. We're going to do 32-bit just because. So I'm going to install it. I'm going to download it. I'm going to save it as. And then I'm going to figure out where to put it. And as you can see, 2.7.10 is right here. 2.7.10.12 is also right here, which I've already got, so I'm going to go with that. Just wanted to show you where you could download it and how you could find it. So I have already got it on my hard drive. So now I'm going to install it. Two 2.7.10.12. Bingo. Here it goes. That's it. We're installing it. And it's going on the root directory, Python 2.7. We also have the PyWin32, which you're not going to get with 64-bit, so that's why I went with 32-bit. Because I want to use PyWin32. And there is no PyWin64 as far as I know at this point, so we're going to go with this. And we're going to install it, and then we're going to test it, and we're going to make sure it's there. So meanwhile we're doing our installation thing, I'll just tell you a little bit about me. Been a software developer for 4 decades. Yeah, that's 40 years, actually 42. So I've been doing the software development thing for a while, and I might know something about it. You never can tell. I'm self-taught. You can take that for a positive or negative thing, but I'm going to take it for a positive because it works for me. Been doing Python for more than 10 years. It's not the only language I do, but this channel is all about Python. Alright, so in theory we have it installed, and I can take a look and see what my DOSBox says about that. And it knows nothing about it. So let's just double check and see where we are. Look at my drive C, Python 2.7. I do have something, and let's go to making us a shortcut, because I am going to add this to the appropriate place. So that's my shortcut. Delete it. And now I'm going to go to my properties, advanced system properties, environment variables. It is here. We just need to reboot things, but I'm not going to do that right now. So it has been set up, and I just need to use it. And there we go. And that's how you set up Python. So now for an editor, I like to use the Wing IDE. And why Wing? Because it's the best. You might have to pay for a license, depending upon which version you use. I would suggest you just bite the bullet and pay for the license. It's the best editor out there. And this comes from a guy who's been doing Python for more than 10 years. So we can take that for what it's worth, but that's what I'm going to go with. And I'm going to show you where you can find Wing IDE real fast. And if you want to find Wingware, it is right here. This is Wingware. Current version is 5.1.12, which I already have. So that's where you can find it, right there. I'm going to install it. Good thing about Wing is it understands Python. It was built with Python. It knows everything about the language, as opposed to other tools that may not. Now, if you want to use a Java-based tool to do Python, I think it's a little silly. But you can use whatever you want. If it works for you, use it. I prefer to use a Python-based tool when I'm working with Python, but that's just me. And I've been doing it for more than 10 years. And yes, I have tried them all. Including PyCharm and others. And I'm still using Wing, and I still buy a license whenever I need to. Small price to pay for greatness. But again, use what works for you. All right, so let's see if we have Wing. And I do, and I'm going to pin this to my start menu. And where are we? Get the feeling it didn't pin. Okay, so now we're at the point of putting in my license ID in, which I'm not going to do in this video. And I'm going to stop the video here because we have Python installed. We have 2.7.10, and we can see that Wing says we have 2.7.10. And we have Wingware installed. And so that's the first video. Please feel free to subscribe and like the video. It helps the channel. If you want to see more content like this, please support the channel. I'm going to be here doing Python. I plan on doing at least one video a day. I'm going to try to do everything with Python I possibly can. If you have a request, feel free to make a request. Leave a message. Type a comment. Ask a question. Let's see if I can help you out with your Python needs. And thanks for watching.